Hey guys, this is my Web 2.0 tool. It is DropBox. This is its home screen. When you first pull it up, it's going to show all of your recent documents. Mine are just pictures because I download all of my pictures off of my phone onto Dropbox just so I have more storage on my phone. On the right hand side, you could see this little emoji right here. It just says your name, how much storage you have, and to sign out. This little icon is your artboard or your schedule, and this just shows your notifications. You can search anything you want through Dropbox, different files or pictures you might have. You can upload files. You have new shared folder or create paper docs. If you click on create paper docs, it's going to bring you up to a new page. And something that's really interesting about Dropbox, it's kind of like Google Docs in a way, because you could save all of your stuff on Dropbox and then you could access it from a computer or your phone. You could give your document a name. I'm going to put hi, and you could just write whatever you want. And then you could just save it. You can invite people to see your document. You could present the document as like a presentation, and then you could just go back. And this just shows the paper home. This is just showing where your documents are. And you could press home to go back to the main. So that's the main home screen. On the left hand side, you have the little Dropbox icon. You could have your files, your paper. That's where I just was. So showed my document, and you could showcase your work. Dropbox is very interesting because, like I said, it's kind of like Google Docs. In a way, you could just download all of your pictures, your documents, put all of your stuff on this one website, and you could access it from anywhere you want. It's very interesting. I definitely use it just because I have a lot of pictures on my phone that I download on here just so I don't have to waste my space on my camera. It's very organized, very simple. Anybody could use this. It's a really good web tool to have. See you guys.